れが平和というやつだ。人間どもがありがたがっている平和とはあれだ。俺は叩き潰してやる。あの平和を見たった限り、俺の地球政府はありえない。いいか、手段を選ぶな。情け容赦するな。徹底的に破壊しろ。人類からあらゆる平和を奪ってやるのだ。
ボス、怪獣バルバスの準備ができました。
よし。目標はあれだ。今お前たちに説明した人間どもの平和だ。
Why are they running? I don't know. We'll learn that in short enough time. This is Kita speaking. Yes? What? When did it occur? Okay, thanks. It's a monster. It was just seen. What? Again?
This is one monster you can't destroy, gone as a creature of illusion. It's back!
Can it be illusions?
That's right, illusions. My monster can disappear with no warning and appear again a second later, 1,000 miles away. Tell Goldar it's useless to fight against Ghana. You hear? Useless! Goldar's finished defending the Earth.
We'll get you, Rodak. Mura, the ghastly monster. How can that monster be quickly destroyed? Mura, I just heard the news. The monster's destroying power generators. That'll cut our lights. Yes, the city can't function in darkness. And it can get worse. I think Rodak wants electric power out all over the world. We depend on electricity. Each time we try to find the monster, it disappears. Uh-huh. Mura, listen. I don't think we should waste another second. Get Nico to discuss this with Gam, huh?
That's Nico's signal. He's asking for me. Susan, I have to leave now.
Wait.
Yes, sir.
I want you to learn the hiding place of Ghana. Get all the facts to assist us in finding its hideout. Do you understand?
I understand, Methuselah.
Gan transforms from a robot to a rocket and leaves the secret base to answer Miko's signal.
Is it really true that there's nothing you can do to stop the monster, Methuselah?
I have to acquire more information about its habits, so I will have something to work with.
There must be a way to destroy that monster.
I don't know. I've never dealt with anything like this. I think Rodak called on that creature only to destroy you, Goldar.
We shall see about that.
Sam, you've got to learn where the creature's hiding. Have you learned anything new? I've been told to find out what I can. Sam, we'll talk later. Let's start looking. I don't see a thing. Maybe we should continue to circle the area. We'll learn more if we land. It's dangerous, but I think you're right. Sam, I think you better land here. This is where the monster was last seen. Let's start looking around here. I wonder where it could hide. How do you find an illusion? Scam. Let's try over there. Right. Look. Those are Ghana's. Nico, let's see where they lead. All right. Come on. Still no trace of the creature. This is the direction the monster had been taking. Then let's stay on this road. Okay. It's gotta be around here. I don't see a thing. Don't worry. I still say that the monster's here. Nico, if you're so sure it's around here, I think that we should contact the authorities. Good idea. Oh, quick, they cover! I think it's headed this way. That? Call Father. Space Avenger! However, all we could see were its footprints, Father.
Just footprints?
That's right, Goldar. And the creature growled.
Show me the footprints.
There they are.
I want you to take cover in case the monster shows itself.
Hurry, Nico.
Give up, Goldar. There is no possible way for you to defeat Goldar. Challenge my monster to a battle and you shall be destroyed. This time your weapons are useless. You cannot match your strength against an illusion. I prepared carefully for this moment.
But what you aren't prepared for is the wisdom of Methuselah. We will find a way to defeat your monster, and when that happens, I will personally set out to destroy you.
You will never find a way to defeat Goldar. Your mission on Earth will fail.
It is you who fail time and time again.
What? You dare to insult me? Fire!
Will Methuselah really find a way, Goldar?
He's working on a solution right now.
Great. I know. We'll win.
I hope so. What I didn't tell Rodak is that Methuselah cannot find a solution to beat Ghana.
A creature that can suddenly vanish. How do we destroy it, huh?
We'll have to learn its weaknesses. We don't have a lot of time. Papa, do you think the creature's foot impressions are a clue?
I find it very strange that only the monster's footprints show. I think we should investigate that aspect first. Don't you agree?
I think we should tell the authorities right away. Uh-huh. Hello, Keita speaking. Huh? You saw the monster? We're leaving for there right this minute. The monster's at the zoo.
The zoo? Go ahead. You cover the story.
Right. Thanks. Let's go.
The monster! It'll break the animal's cage! Hurry, we'll get it. Let's go, men.
Damn. Very quiet for a zoo. Where did this creature go?
Commander, the creature's hiding. I think we should search the entire area.
You're all right. We'll do that. Listen carefully. The left flank. Take one side, the right flank the other. Get going.
Yes, sir.
Now.
Yes, sir.
This way.
What should I do?
Keep looking around here. Let's go, men. This way.
Commander, be on the lookout for the creature's tracks.
I shall.
It's quiet.
Nico, you ready?
Uh-huh.
You stay here.
All right, sir.
There's nothing around here. Let's try the other end. Come on. footprints. Peter.
Let's go. See anything? No, sir. Oh.
Peter, there's nothing here. No sign of the monster.
We'll get it yet. Or be destroyed.
Most of a strange kind of vegetation. And it's a plant monster.
Ghana doesn't look like that kind of monster, sir.
That's why it was difficult to learn. When Ghana solidifies itself, it becomes a mammal. However, it can change its inner structure and turn into a plant. The creature energizes itself on food underground. It can change into vegetation whenever it chooses to do so. The creature only looks as if it's disappearing, when actually it is not.
Ah, then that monster was a tree in the park.
It can turn into an animal or a blade of grass in the area where the monster has been standing. The monster is treacherous. Methuselah, what causes the monster to disappear? The creature can suddenly turn transparent due to an X-ray device that Rodak installed in its system. You will have to destroy it in any form.
Then the only way to keep track of the monster is to see if anything in its surrounding area was suddenly added. If there was suddenly another tree, then that tree would be the monster.
Exactly. Sir, Rodak is planning to do a lot of damage with this monster. I must try to defeat it as quickly as possible. If Ghana turns into a tree or a rock or a lake in the park, then I will have to destroy it in any form it chooses to take. This is Rodak's biggest offensive move to the earth. I feel that this is my most important challenge.
Father, I'm going to tell Nico the news so he can relay it to the authorities.
Good. This is one battle I'm looking forward to.
So the monster's cells are all vegetation, huh? And it has the power to change its shape possibly anywhere. Nico, is this carnival where you wanted us to check for the creature? Uh-huh. And you think that the monster Ghana could be located here? Well, I certainly hope that you're right. I want to catch that monster without wasting any time. Good idea. The first day that it made its appearance occurred in this area. And that's why I figure its headquarters is somewhere around here. I figure that if we stick around, it'll eventually show itself. Everything looks all right. Nico, it's the monster. Let's follow those tracks. Hurry! Huh? Uh-huh. There's the monster. Huh?
The monster can change into a tree, a blade of grass, or even a flower.
Look at that. Maybe that's the monster, huh? Huh? The monster, that? Let's find out. Call my father. Good idea. Space Avenger! Goldar! The creature attacked!
Fight!
地球征服の野望に燃え、恐るべき怪獣を次々と地上へ送り込むゴア。そのゴアの命を受け、幻のごとく東京各地を荒らし回った植物怪獣バルザスは、ついにその姿をマグマ大使の前に表した。
父さんだ！
こいバルダス。こい。ほ。
マグマ大使。 Got the creature. I don't think so. It looks as if he did. I say he didn't. Rodak, you must be kidding.
If you think you won this fight, you're wrong.
What? The monster isn't destroyed?
Donna remains motionless because I wanted to. I have a big surprise in store for you, so don't think you've won.
I'm ready for your monster. Let it get up and fight.
It's serving a much more useful function while it lies on the ground. Study the smoke it's giving off.
What's this? It changed to feathers.
That smoke can do anything I want it to. I will change the smoke to a poison gas, and all of mankind will breathe it into their lungs. Smoke travels easily. The slightest breeze will carry it for miles. Your rocket causes a wind, and even that helps me. Not even Methuselah has the power to stop the motion of the air. I promise you that millions of Earthlings will be destroyed. The only way that the inhabitants of this planet can be saved is to surrender the Earth to me in the next 24 hours.
You will pay for using such a ghastly weapon.
We shall see about that. Remember, the Earthlings have just 24 hours.
Above sea level. This structure was created in the year 1962. It was a design of the well-known architect Cyrus Uno.
Quickly! We must get this man to a hospital or the police. Weapon against Earthlings that Rodak has ever used.
Even more dangerous than the monster Ghana, sir.
Ghana might be able to change its shape, but the monster can only be at one place at a time. This weapon, however, can be everywhere very quickly.
All this is my fault. If I hadn't beaten Dillis, Rodak wouldn't be taking such revenge against the Earthlings. Do you agree with me, sir? So the responsibility is mine.
No, it is not. The responsibility is mine, because it was I who issued your orders, Goldar. What I have to do now is very clear, and that is to think of a way to end the circulation of this pollen. I will study this feather that carries the pollen. I have to find a solution, or Rodak will own the Earth.
I should be out searching every inch of land for the monster, because all this is connected to Ghana.
It is destroying people all over the Earth. You're going to have to act quickly.
I'll aid them. If we take take different directions, the people will get faster help.
I agree. The thing to do is locate the creature. Cam, I want you to leave here this instant. It's important that you locate that monster in the next hour.
Yes, sir.
Hello? Is anybody home? It's Gav. Thank God. I'll try it back. I don't get this at all. Nico mentioned you'd be here.
Mama?
Yes? I just knocked on the door and didn't get an answer. I didn't hear. Everyone's house is closed tight, you know. We were explicitly instructed. I didn't think of that. Pollen is kept from entering. I guess this house is airtight. Again, has Goldar learned anything? My father knows the pollen is going to be used to destroy Earthlings. All of us are fighting against time.
Rodak is the criminal behind all this. If anyone should be destroyed, it should be him.
I agree. The Space Avenger will get Rodak. One of the first things to be done is to eliminate the monster. My father will do that. When he sees that monster, he'll give it his fist.
The monster.
Nico, let's go. Wait. It's too dangerous to go out there. Tomoka speaking. It's you, Tom. The boys ran out. They're already gone. To try and locate the monster, I think. I hope that Nico won't get hurt. What? The monster's at the park again?
Here. I'll be able to see easier this way.
Let's check the amusement park.
Damn, I see the monster. It's been destroying the park.
What's the matter? In this air.
이가 수도다 가면村上さんこっちもやってくるほらガムが
Your papa's here.
I see him.
Hurry, get in the car. Look, there, Pollen.
Papa, maybe I'm wrong, but I should call Goldar.
That's the only solution.
Look, Gun is disappearing again.
Cam, you should stay in the car.
The monster monster disappeared, Miko.
It's here, somewhere.
Yes, the monster could have changed into anything. Ghana could have turned into a bunch of leaves or grass or anything around here. Isn't that right?
Yes, Gam. Look for it, okay?
Okay. All of those rats. I don't know which are the creatures and which are the earthlings. I'll have to check later.
What the earthlings have yet to find out is that the poison pollen is only the beginning of my new attack. I want you to inform the earthlings that they have only 1 hour left to surrender the earth.
Yes, sir.
And that if they don't surrender, I will increase the pollen count.
I'll tell them, sir.
Good. I've been perfectly fair to these earthlings by giving them plenty of chances to surrender the world. From this moment on, I will start conquering this planet the way I did all the other planets. And the first rule is to show no mercy. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. I will relay to the Earthlings your message exactly.
If their answer is negative, Ghana will spread so much pollen into the air that it will envelop every mile of the Earth's surface. Then every Earthling will be destroyed.
Commander, what are you going to do now that Rodak's man has warned us? Will you surrender? I don't surrender. We have to act quickly to defeat the monster. If Ghana spreads more pollen, we haven't a chance. It's horrible. Don't you agree? Now here's what I think. We must learn the creature's location. Then what I suggest is luring it into a trap. Goldar can then destroy it.
Sir, this must occur today. There's only an hour.
We know that, son. There's little time. I think that Ghana is still around the Children's Center. Do you agree, Commander? Mm-hmm. Agreed. How do we handle it? Until Goldar comes. Tear gas. It's the only way. That's a good idea, Commander. The monster must show itself, and the way to do that is spread the tear gas around. It might succeed. Let's get a move on. I hear a noise coming down toward the earth. There it is again. The sound is strange.
Is Rodak planning something?
He must be planning his final attack. And here I stand unable to do anything about it.
Final attack? Father, is Rodak going to conquer the Earth right now?
Yes. So far, there isn't a thing I can do about it.
Take your position! Fire!
Commander, won't all that pollen hurt your squad?
They're protected against it, as long as they wear their gas masks. We have 20 minutes.
Miko's signal, Father.
I know.
What are we going to do? Mother, our missiles won't work against the monster. There's no way we can fight it unless we have another weapon. We're helpless, aren't we, Father?
That's right.
We have to do something. I'll go this instant and see what I can find out.
You stay here, Gam. I will go because I was the one Miko called. Kadazan is working on a new weapon. I will try to hold off the monster until that weapon is perfected. There are only 14 minutes left, and we must use every second of them.
Okay.
I must leave at once. This is the first time I will meet a monster knowing that I cannot defeat it.
The weapon is completed. Where is Goldar?
He's gone. He went to answer Miko's signal.
Damn. Take this Vega gun to Goldar immediately.
A Vega gun?
That's right. Gunna is composed of plant cells. This gun was designed to destroy such organic life. This is the only thing that will destroy Gunna. Take it and go.
Yes, sir. I'll hurry. Avenger.
Let's hope that he can beat the monster.
Right. You see?
He's in trouble.
Damn.
Goldar, here's a weapon that will defeat the monster.
Kadazan did it.
Yes, I'll get the monster.
Gam, you stay back. I'll take care of this now.
Did you see that?
A marvel.
That's the last straw. How did Goldar get such a weapon? Methuselah, of course. Goldar isn't my enemy. It's Methuselah I have to get rid of.
Rodak, your creature has been destroyed. The earth is saved from your poison pollen.
You think you have won, Goldar, but the fight is not over yet. From now on, there will be no mercy. I promise you that.
Goldar, Rodak put a bomb in Ghana's body and it's ready to explode.
What?
I'll destroy it. Goldar, the explosive is somewhere inside its head. It could explode right now.
Leave the bomb to me. Stand back.
Let's go.
Rodak, I have a present for you.
Even the bomb that I planted failed. Well, this incident has taught me a lesson. My failure will turn into victory. I will use this experience as a tool to destroy Methuselah.
Yeah, are you all right? Did you see Father, hit the saucer. Perfect strike.
Rodak, go back to where you came from. Should we ever meet again, I promise I will destroy you.
It is you who will be destroyed. You and your leader, Methuselah. I have unlimited powers. You and your leader are no match for me.
We shall see who will be victorious. Send all the monsters you care to. Devise any plan you wish. I will defeat them and your army until you leave the Earthlings alone.
We shall see.
Goldar! Thanks.
Cam, you stay back. I'll take care of this now. Rodak, your creature has been destroyed. The Earth is saved from your poison pollen.
You think you have won, Goldar, but the fight is not over yet. From now on, there will be no mercy. I promise you that.
Rodak, I have a present for you.
After the defeat of Ghana, Rodak heads into space on a mysterious mission.
Look at that. Rodak's spacecraft is really leaving the Earth. I wonder where he's going.
Maybe he's no longer thinking of conquering our planet.
I wonder if he got interested in another planet.
Yeah.
Susan sends a message.
If it's about Rodak, the commander saw it.
However, Rodak's spaceflight isn't good news.
What do you mean?
Just this, that Rodak left the Earth only to return here again. And when he returns, Rodak will use all the monsters in space against the Earth.
Huh? Are you sure?
That's the reason why I'm here. I was told to warn you about Rodak's departure. Be careful.
Thanks. Papa?
I think we should tell our offices all around the world about this. And I'll help.
We'll start at once.
But I will see you again soon. You will curse the day that I return, for when I do, I will bring with me something that will cause the shock of your lives. Enjoy your peace while you can.
Sir, a message is coming in from Earth.
Switch it on, now.
Sir, I put the device safely into the art museum as you instructed. It will not be detected and will await your return. Have a good journey.
Thank you. You have done well. The device will be useful when I come back to Earth.
Until then, sir.
Wait! You will be in danger as long as you do not look like an Earthling. I will construct a face and a name for you. That way you can walk among the Earthlings and not be detected.
That's a good idea, sir.
Place the statue in front of you.
Yes, sir.
I need a name for you. Oh, I've got it. Taka! And your face will look like any other Earthlings. Step out now and show it.
Now I'll take the title of caretaker here.
Methuselah never said why we should check the art museum.
I know.
Funny. All Methuselah said was that he got a strange vibration.
We'll take a look around.
I wish I knew what to look for.
This way.
What is that?
Oh, I've never seen this statue before, gentlemen. I don't know how it got here or who ordered it. We should look into this. What do you say about it, Mura?
I think you're right.
That smoke could be dangerous. It was a trick. Rodak planted that piece of art.
Have a look. Gam. Papa, there's a magnet in that creature. Gam's constructed of ours, and that's why that occurred.
You're right. Call Goldar at once.
Yes, sir. Help, Space Avenger! Oh. What a huge monster.
Mura, we should tell the commander.
This is Taka. Goldar was just called, which is exactly what you wanted.
Papa!
Goldar!
Go!
You'll be all right.
Are you all right?
The monster's magnetic forces attracted my missiles. They were useless.
Just take it easy.
Nico's right.
I'm okay. Thank you.
Gam is okay. Thank you for coming.
I was only doing my duty. You must be careful of this monster. I will inform Methuselah.
I'll also do that.
You came here quickly.
Tell the United Nations that Rodak is preparing an all-out offensive.
There doesn't seem to be anything wrong. You're in fine condition.
Thank you, sir.
Gam was very brave.
I'm proud of you.
It was all due to the monster's magnet. Been drawn into the air by that hideous creature's huge magnet. There was nothing I could do till I got unstuck.
We should be equipped to resist that monster. It would help if we knew the location of Rodak's headquarters in space. Do you know the location?
Not yet. I've been trying to learn it, though.
If we could learn the location of Rodak's hiding place, he'd be destroyed. I'd make certain of it.
I understand your anger. Rodak has caused much trouble for Earth. But there is nothing we can do until we learn exactly where he is hiding.
I must concentrate on finding Rodak.
You are the only one, Goldar. But not even you, with all your strength, can come this far out into space. Methusem's wisdom won't help you this far from Earth. I am safe from any weapon that you could use. I have come here to assemble my forces. I will call upon monsters with strength that you can never challenge. And I will send all the monsters to Earth to destroy you. And the Earth will be mine. Come in, Turka.
Yes, sir.
What has been happening on Earth?
A creature appeared.
Did Magno destroy the art museum?
Yes, sir. The creature was confronted by Goldar's son, Gam. Goldar's son was rendered harmless. I made a recording of the whistle given to Miko.
Excellent idea. Good work.
Thank you. With the tape recording, we will now lead Goldar and his son around in circles.
It's about time somebody started using their brains. Order Magno to continue destroying everything in its path. I want fear driven into the minds of every Earthling till I return.
Order! It's the creature. It just destroyed an electrical plant. I'll get the story. Come on, let's go. Kida, wait a minute.
Help! Space Avenger!
Now that's odd. Miko blew the whistle a short while ago.
Yes, I know. And now again.
What's wrong?
Miko is signaling for Father again.
What? That's strange. Miko wouldn't have signaled in error.
That could happen. However, I don't actually believe it.
Well then, the best thing to do is to let me go.
Hurry, Space Avenger! What are you doing here? I called Goldar.
My father received your signal and left. Then we got another signal, and so I came.
I signaled just once. The monster's acting up again. I needed Goldar.
Something's wrong. Where did Goldar go then?
Huh? Papa would know that.
What is it? I don't know.
There's the signal again. Miko, where are you? That's strange. He calls and he's not here. A tape recording of the signal. I have been tricked. Miko! 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 Another tape recorder. There could be hundreds of them. They have to be destroyed. Position!
Commander, I was just told that Goldar has disappeared.
Could that be?
Goldar got a signal just ahead of mine, sir.
Then I can't wait. Start shooting.
Yes, Commander. Start shooting now.
Peter, look.
Quick, right!
Oh, and I were looking all over for you. The creature attacked and destroyed an entire electrical plant.
Now, please repeat. Where did you go?
Someone made a recording of Miko's signal and led me on a wild monster chase. If I catch that person, he'll regret it.
Who could have done that?
Rodak's staff. That's who.
Then Rodak left one of his agents here on Earth, right?
Rodak has made a fool of me.
You should never lose your temper, Goldar. That's exactly what Rodak wants. Do you understand?
Yes, sir. But I'll get even with him for that.
No, that is wrong. You should save your thinking and your strength for personal matters. You are devoted to the safety of Earth and not the satisfaction of your personal feelings. You should have listened carefully when you received Miko's signal. A recording of the signal gives off a different sound. A sound produced from the whistle that I gave Miko can never be duplicated. From now on, listen more carefully and don't lose your temper so quickly. Rodak will try any trick that he can unless he is destroyed. Goldar, you were taught a good lesson, so don't let it occur again. Just remember that, and you'll always win.
You're right, sir. I was tricked, and I let Rodak get the better of me. I'll be more careful, so it will not happen again.
That's the way I like to hear you talking. Rodak will be the one who will lose his challenge against Earth in the long run. You can be sure of that. Rodak might have scored a slight victory. However, we will have the last laugh.
Commander, I still don't quite understand how you and your staff of technicians located Rodak's hiding place.
By taking advantage of Telstar and also radar equipment. That was all that was necessary.
You mean to say that only our radar can do such a thing?
That's right. All you really need is the right equipment to do it. We have here a long-distance space photo of Rodak's hiding place.
Where is it?
Only 1 light year from the galaxy of Cup.
Oh. How did you take this?
By using an electronic lens. The Science University has assisted us in finding the exact location. By using the same method the Apollo rocket uses in sending pictures to the Earth, we were able to get a clear photo. It's simply a telephoto. Several equations strung together located it.
Then we can launch an attack out there.
If Rodak's been getting together a large force of monsters, then we have to attack in space. It's the only thing I can think of to save our planet.
Do you know how to conduct such an attack?
First, we use the deadliest explosive known. The cobalt bomb. It's the only way. The entire army working for Rodak will be destroyed. However, this theoretical plan isn't quite right.
Why not?
We have no way of lifting such a heavy load. It's at least 10 times the weight of any rocket.
I didn't know that. Wait, I know. Papa, Goldar.
Good idea.
That's Miko's signal, not the tape recording.
お父さん。よく聞き分けるのじゃ。まこと助けを求める笛の音か。あっ
マグマ、あの笛は確かに守君が呼んでる笛です。
ガン、行くぞ。